Honey, what are you doing? You're doing porn right now? You're doing porn right now? What are you doing? She's doing something for me. She showed me what it is before.
Huh?
So, I won't be surprised.
Anong mga nakasave mong pelikula doon? Porn.
Martian Child.
Sisi.
Nood ka na, sige. Hanap ka na upuan. Sa ano, videos. Ay, wala.
Sa computer ba? Oo nga, sa computer.
Ano ba? I-search mo na lang sa documents. Feeling ko din niya rin nakita. We're going back. I'm going to leave him at 2 o'clock. No, they're going to leave me at 2 o'clock. They're going to leave me at 2 o'clock, so... What? They're going to leave me at 2 o'clock. By then, they're gone. So, I don't have anybody else to talk to right here. And I don't know what to do. 3, 4, 5, 2 hours. I'm supposed to be in by that time. She's still not done with whatever she's doing. And obviously, she's writing something for me. I bet she'll give it to me later, before she go home.
Oo ah.
Yeah.
Papadala ko to sa Owl. Owl.
Sa?
Owl.
Do you look like Hermione?
And then sa mga fruit.
Papadala mo sa mga fruit fly. Pinatay mo ni mga fruit fly. Di mo ba naalala, pinatay mo sila? Pinatay mo na nga eh. Yun pa yung fruit fly murderer. She's a fruit fly murderer. I don't know why she keeps on killing fruit flies. They don't even hurt her.
Oo ah. Ay, kumapasok sa ilong ko. Nakita mo yun, di ba?
Ay, hinigop mo. Sinigap mo ba? Naging kulangot niya na yung purple. Ay, yung fruit fly. The camera wants to see. Come on, show your smile.
Mother, father.
I can see that. See? You can't hide things from me. I'm invulnerable.
Spell.
Invulnerable. Basta, yun yun.